here we are at the Stanthorpe Holiday Park. Set up camp and we're going to have a look at the Girraween National Park while we're here, and hopefully a winery or two.
So Girraween Park is in, Stanthorpe is known as the Granite Belt, and we will go and have a look there. I remember as a kid going up, climbing up the top of Bold Knob, and I don't think we'll get that adventurous today, but at least we'll show you around. Tess, I've got a question for you. Why did the boulder break up with a pebble?
I don't know. Why?
Because it felt taken for granite. All right, hopefully it gets better than that.
Hopefully.
So we'll just give you a little walk around the Stanthorpe Holiday Park. So we're on the northern side of the park, probably more in the unpowered sites, although these sites along this side are all, looking back to Jimny there, they are powered sites. There is water. So up on the left there we've got some bunkhouses. I don't know when they get used. No windows.
Yeah, there's windows in the back.
No windows in the back. So this is the camp kitchen. Nicely set up camp kitchen, big fridge over there, dining area, and the holiday park is alongside a lovely little creek. I went for a walk there yesterday, and it's like there's plenty of water in the creek. It's very dry here at the moment. But there's plenty of water in the creek, so I would say it's a fairly good perennial creek.
So this area where we are is a bit more open and less crowded. So there's another area that we'll show you where there's mainly slab sites, but this where we are is sort of out the back and a lot more quiet.
In the boondocks. So some more amenities, I think laundry in the background there. Just take you up and have a look in here. So what do have we got? A retreat. Chill out and wind down. Hopefully there's no one in here. And so wow, look at this. It's a sauna. Comfortable for 2 people probably. And a massage chair. Very nice. So down this side we've got some that look like Scandinavian chalets. There's 3 of those. And further down there's some more powered sites. Looking back this way. In the distance there's about 3 or 4 little cabins. And just more powered sites through this section. So we're at Girraween National Park, and just up above us you can see Bald Knob. So down here it looks like we've got all we need to know about native poo. Some tiny dancers. Little spot to cool off on a hot day. Little river, little creek running through here. Beautiful. And it's lovely, and particularly when it's cool and you get the sun out, you can lie on granite rocks and sunbathe. Tiny little waterfall going through here. sure if you'd actually call that a waterfall, hey? Maybe a baby rapid or something. And there's probably some waterfalls going down through this way as it enters the lower part of the gorge here. Skibby. Clearly not too bothered. So we're now sitting at a feature of the park they call the Arch. Massive boulder. How it gets there, I don't know. I might have to research it. But yeah, lovely walk, lovely day we've picked, beginning of spring. Last night was a little bit cold, but we were snuggled up and well, we were snuggled up in blankets, put it that way. And yeah, it's just nice sleeping. It's nice when it's cool and you're nice and warm and cozy. So, Tess. Anyways, beautiful day out here today, and yeah, not a cloud in the sky. Great day for a walk. What are your thoughts, Tess?
Yes, it's a beautiful day, and there's lots of people out here enjoying it. Just rocks everywhere, and it's just beautiful rock formations. So we'll keep wandering around.
So we have a bit of an explanation as to how those big boulders get there. So it seems it's just a Mother Nature creation. So over millions of years, forces including water, wind and plants have just continued to sculpture the granite. And granite's an incredibly hard rock, so it's many millions of years.